Unboxing the CU3040 Ultrafiltration Water Purifier. Upon opening, you can find the user's manual and accessories. Then the main unit. It has a 2-point faucet diverter and a flexible faucet on the opposite side. The CU3040 filters are easy to replace. It also has long PVC soft tube. The faucet diverter can fit into outside threaded kitchen faucets. It also includes 2 adapters. Make sure to install the rubber gasket to the faucet diverter. Use this adapter for non-threaded kitchen faucets. And use this one for inside threaded kitchen faucets. The Pure CU3040 Ultrafiltration Water Purifier. Switch now to safer water.